Exclusive. Christopher Nolan returning to direct more Batman. Did you see this story?
No, I didn't. This is news to me.
This website, giantfreakinrobot.com, claims to have legit intel and claims to have broken big stories in the past. I'm not going to lie, this is my first time ever being on a site. So take it for what it is. But apparently there's a track record here. This website broke the news that Wonder Woman 1984 would release on streaming prior to anybody knowing that. So I guess they have some sources. And the word here is that Nolan is very upset at what happened to Tenet, which you prefer to call it what?
I heard
Tenet?
It's called Tenet.
Tenet.
Yeah, with the extra N. But I know that's wrong. But it just sounds...
No, I know, but you just start giggling every time I say Tenet.
Yeah.
Tenet. Anyway, apparently he's upset. It flopped, right? It's hard to even say it flopped because the world is in such disarray right now that what do you even compare it to? What were your expectations going into it, knowing what you were up against, the movie theater problem and everything else, COVID and all this? I don't know. But to be honest, actually, since he was working on Batman, it's been kind of a steady decline, I think, in revenue, in terms of revenue. Well, obviously, Batman. Batman is Batman.
Yep.
And it's hard to get that buzz back. There are a few things that are tried and true from a revenue and performance perspective. There's few things that measure up to the superhero stuff. It's just seems to work. And as far as superhero movies go, I enjoyed those superhero movies.
Yes.
His Batman movies.
Yeah.
Especially the Dark Knight. Yeah, especially the middle movie of the three that he did. So apparently this person has some intel that he's itching to get back to direct more Batman. However, he's not into the Ben Affleck stuff.
I heard that Michael Keaton's coming back to replace Ben Affleck. Is that true?
Old Batman?
Yeah.
That's kind of interesting. I grew up on that.
That's what I heard.
1989 Batman?
Yeah.
I grew up on that, man. Well, I mean, I was only 4 years old at that moment, but I probably watched it in 91 or something. And Michael Keaton, Kim Basinger. Come on, man. Tim Burton. Been through this.
Yeah.
I had the VHS tape. Not so fast. Anyway, you got the...
This is real, isn't it?
Well, yeah, but it's a rumor, though. Oh, wow. Michael Keaton, Robert Pattinson, and Ben Affleck will all play Batman in 2022. It's crazy.
Everyone's going to get a shot.
It's too
much.
much.
Might get a shot.
It might be too many guys. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway, according to this report, Nolan wants nothing to do with Ben Affleck. So Affleck could be out as part of Warner Brothers' broader plan to lure Nolan back into the world of making Batman movies. The other question is, since it's a Warner Brothers thing, does it go straight to streaming? Does it go straight to HBO Max? A Batman movie would be, like, with Nolan, straight to streaming. That could be some powerful subscription driver. However, we seem to have the indication from him that he's not a big streaming guy, so I don't know what the agreement would look like, how they would figure all that out. But I'd say it's exciting news anyway, because like I said, as far as superhero movies go, I think he made some of my favorites, if not my favorite superhero movie.